TurboCASH is one of the more popular accounting software options out there, but before you make the leap and buy it, there are 12 things you need to know. You'll want to compare it to other options like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks to make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. First, TurboCASH is known for being open source and free to use, which sounds like a huge plus. But while that's great for small businesses on a budget, it's not as feature-rich as some of the paid alternatives. This can be a big deal if you need advanced functionality. Next, the interface might take a little getting used to. Compared to competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which have more modern, user-friendly designs, TurboCASH's interface can feel a bit clunky. It's not the most intuitive, so expect a learning curve, especially if you're new to accounting software. The third thing to know is that TurboCASH doesn't offer cloud-based storage by default. Unlike Xero or QuickBooks Online, which are built for the cloud, TurboCASH operates as a desktop-based solution. While you can set it up on a cloud service yourself, it's not as seamless as other options. The fourth thing is customer support. TurboCASH does offer support, but it's not on the same level as the more polished customer service provided by competitors. If you run into issues, you might have to rely on community forums or third-party services for help. The fifth thing to know is TurboCASH's multi-currency support. While this is a plus for international businesses, it's not as advanced or automated as systems like Xero or QuickBooks, which offer smoother multi-currency integrations. Next, TurboCASH doesn't include payroll features out of the box. For businesses that need payroll functionality, you'll need to integrate it with a third-party service. In comparison, QuickBooks offers built-in payroll features, making it more convenient for some users. The seventh thing is that TurboCASH offers solid accounting tools, but lacks some of the automation that you get with competitors. For example, QuickBooks can automatically categorize transactions, saving you time, while TurboCASH requires more manual work. The eighth thing is scalability. TurboCASH works well for small businesses and startups, but as your business grows, you might find yourself needing more powerful features. Competitors like Xero and QuickBooks scale more easily with added modules and integrations. Now let's talk about reports. TurboCASH offers the basics, but it falls short when it comes to the depth and customization options available in software like Xero or QuickBooks. If detailed, custom reporting is a priority. TurboCASH may not be your best option. The 10th thing to mention is the lack of mobile apps. If you're someone who needs to manage your finances on the go, TurboCASH isn't the best choice. Unlike QuickBooks or Xero, which offer mobile apps with full functionality, TurboCASH is limited to desktop use. Next, TurboCASH is free, but as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't come with all the features you might need, like payroll or automated transaction categorization. So, while it's great for startups and freelancers on a tight budget, as your business grows, you might have to invest in add-ons, which can start to add up. The 12th thing to know is security. TurboCASH is a solid choice for on-premise security, but cloud-based competitors like Xero and QuickBooks are much more robust when it comes to data security. If you're dealing with sensitive financial information, you may want to consider whether the lack of cloud-based security in TurboCASH is a deal breaker. So, is TurboCASH a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice for small businesses and startups who need basic accounting software without the price tag. But if you're looking for a more user-friendly, feature-rich solution that scales with your business, we recommend checking out our top pick, which you can try for free.